target is not to let any customer walk out of that door unhappy. We service every piece of equipment we sell, all the way from little cane to $80,000 conversion. We have technicians on the road all the time. We have technicians here all the time, and we deal with the best factories in the country.
I've purchased quite a few things from them, been 100% happy with everything, their service, their presentation, everything. They just can't be beat.
I walked in with Gus, told him what I wanted. He told me what it was going to be, and I walked out the door and it was all over. You're no longer immobile. You can mobile anywhere.
I like the customer service, I like the people, I like the owner, Gus. He's a great guy. He'll take quality over price any day and get you what you need and get you out in time.